Today we will learn how to make a countdown timer in Premiere Pro. First of all, take a color background or choose your favorite color from the color matty and use it. Stretch the background as long as you want to make the countdown in the timeline. Now create a text box with the Type tool. Type the text here, from where you are going to start the countdown. Select it and bring it to the center from both sides, and then increase the font size. I am stretching this timer only for 10 seconds. Now take the razor tool and place the navigator on every second and cut it. Now select the second text box and edit as same as shown here. And in the same way, edit in every text box. And it's done. That's all for today. If you liked the video, then do like and subscribe to the channel. GraphiX Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos.